This channel on YouTube has over 87,000 subscribers. This one has 48,000 subscribers. This has 68,000. And there are lots of small channels that are getting tons of views. They're posting these simple AI inspirational videos. The self-improvement niche has one of the highest RPMs on YouTube. I'll show you both paid and free tools to create these types of videos. If you're serious about faceless YouTube creation, you can join my community, where I share every new niche, help with your channel optimization, and you can chat with me directly. First, we need a YouTube channel. If your budget allows, get a pre-monetized YouTube channel. This way, you can start earning from your first post. Second, we need video ideas. You can think and come up with a new idea, or you can ask ChatGPT for suggestions. The best way is to open a competitor's channel. Here are some competitor channels. The links to all of them are in the blog. Open any channel, go to videos, and select popular. There you can see which videos have already performed well. Play the video and copy its title. Make sure that we're not copying the video itself, we're just copying the idea. Third, need to generate script. For script writing, Claude AI is best than any other AI like ChatGPT or Gemini. Open Claude.ai. Paste this prompt. Enter the title of the video or your idea. I've entered 1,500 words. So basically, in 1 minute of speech, there are 150 to 190 words. And I suggest you to create videos longer than 8 minutes to include more ads and make more money. So 1,200 to 1,500 words of script. Here the script is ready and it's line by line. The fourth step is to get prompts to generate images. Copy the whole script, then open ChatGPT. Paste the script into ChatGPT and ask it to give you a detailed prompt per line to generate a minimalistic image. Each image should have a plain white background. You can choose any other color to create your unique identity. For the style, I'm using anime-inspired. You can also choose stick figure, watercolor, or anything you like. You need to create something new. Ask for anime-inspired illustrations. Then click on the plus icon and enable thinking. It will process the whole script and give you all the prompts at once. For image generation, I'll show you both free and paid options. The free one is Google Whisk. Open Whisk and click on Enter tool. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the first prompt, and paste it into Whisk. The first image is generated. In the same way, generate the second image. If you want to maintain the same style, drag and drop the image to the style section. This way, you'll get the same style across all the images. Or you can disable it. The paid option is OpenArt. In OpenArt, you get access to all the AI tools in one subscription. If you go to video, there are all the tools like Veo, Sora, Cdance, or Kling. In images, if you go to models, you'll find almost every AI model like GPT, Nano Banana, Seedream, Flux, and Imagen 4. For this video, choose Nano Banana Pro. Copy and enter the prompt. You can generate images up to 4K, but 1K is also enough. Choose size, widescreen 16:9, and hit generate. The image is ready, and it's way better than the free one. If we compare them side by side, the paid image has clear vision, a complete bed, a person who's woken up, and books are on the blanket. Anyone can understand it at first glance. But in the free image, the bed is not visible, and the person doesn't appear to have woken up. It could take a moment to understand the image. Let's generate the second image also. It's also great. Also, there's one more benefit of getting OpenArt's subscription. You can generate videos too. Go to Video, select Image to Video, and choose the image. Then you can choose any cheap model and generate the video to make it more appealing to the audience. Now we need to generate the voiceover for our video. Go to Claude AI and ask it to remove the headings and make the script clear and ready for text-to-speech. You'll get a clean script. Copy it. In OpenArt, if you go to the audio section, you can find 11 Labs and Minimax. Choose an audio model, enter the script, choose a voice, and hit generate. The voice is ready.
You've been studying wrong your entire life, and it's costing you grades, time, and your sanity. Most students spend hours rereading notes, highlighting textbooks.
Download it. The final step is editing. Open any editing software like CapCut. Create a new project. Import the audio and all the images. Add the voiceover to the timeline. Then click on Sort and select Time Created. It will arrange the images in the right sequence. There are only 3 images for this demo, but but it will help you when you have a lot of images. Add all the images to the timeline. Arrange them and split the images when each line ends. For background music, go to YouTube Studio and open Audio Library. Search for motivational music, play the music, and download the one you found. Drag and drop it into CapCut. Add it to the timeline. First, enable normalized loudness, then reduce its volume. That's it. Your video is ready. Don't add fancy effects or transitions. Now we need to generate a thumbnail. Go to ChatGPT and paste the title. Then ask it to give you a detailed prompt to generate an image for the thumbnail. Copy the prompt and go to the image generator. Paste the prompt and hit create. The thumbnail image is ready. Make sure it's under 2 megabytes. Your video and thumbnail are ready. If you want to start right now, get a pre-monetized channel. Or if you want to learn about more niches or get additional training, join my paid membership.